What's good? It's your boy Mustang Muscle coming back with another video. Yes, I want to say welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you not have yet subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell, smash the subscribe button, comment, like, share my videos, get me out there, gang, because without y'all, I'm nobody. Had to go on and feed the mad tight, need the corn up. So now I'm on my way to meet the gang, Stain gang, dark side Mustangs. Oh yeah, I gotta make sure I stay focused on the road while the way they're tight pulling on the corn. Don't want to be another Mustang mean. You know what I mean? I gotta take me a piss. So I'm turning up in Quick Trip. You know I can't fuel up here anymore. But yeah, see y'all when I get up out of there. Got the his and hers out here, getting prepped up and ready. Look at it in a scrub. Miss Nurse in the future. So as you can see, we done got a little rinsed off, you know what I'm saying, for the meet tonight. We're gonna catch up with the guys and stuff. We seen one of the other members at the wash, you know, Bullitt. So he should be at the spot by now. And see you guys when I get there. Hey, yeah, what's going on, man? Hey. As you can see, we out here with the gang. There go the owner. There go the owner, Athena. We in here. I like that.
This what you told me, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, she gonna get the same one like that.
I put the hpipe.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, you gotta let me hear. Yeah. What's going on, y'all? What's going on, gang? Look at her. Well, you got the P0s on the motherfucker. The motherfucker rubber bands, eh? Yeah. All right. As you can see, we out here deep. This is just only the beginning. Y'all already know. Y'all watch the channel. Y'all know how we get down. So we finna get a sound clip. Bullitt just put a hpipe on his car. So now we're gonna get to hear what it sound like on the Bullitt. Talking about muscle car all day. Alright, y'all, I mean, I didn't film us eating. I'm pretty sure y'all didn't want to see us eating.
Hey y'all.
Oh, but we ain't worried about you all on camera, woman. Yeah, so I'm about to wrap this video up. Peace, till next time.